Mangalorean special recipe. Once you have this, you will lick all your fingers. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to prepare prawns ghee roast. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. First, let's prepare masala for this recipe. Soak 15 bad ghee red chilies in hot water for 30 minutes. I am using half kilo of prawns. If you are using 1 kilo, then take 25 red chilies. Next, in a mixer jar, add soaked red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, half tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of methi seeds, and 1/4 tablespoon of mustard seeds, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 6 to 7 cashew nuts, 1 inch of ginger, 5 to 6 garlic cloves with skin, little tamarind, half tablespoon of black pepper. Add some water and make a fine paste. Do not add too much of water and don't make masala watery. Here I have taken half kilo of well cleaned and washed prawns. Let's marinate it with some turmeric powder, salt, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can also use lemon juice instead of vinegar. Mix well and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Next, in a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let it heat. Now we will fry marinated prawns. Fry it only for 2 minutes on medium flame. Fry these prawns till the water is released. Once done, remove it on a plate. Next, into this add ground masala, and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Fry nicely on medium flame. You have to fry this masala well. It will take approximately 15 minutes to fry this masala very well. While frying in middle, we need to add again 2 tablespoons of ghee. The more ghee is added, the more it will taste. Fry it again. If you feel the masala has become very dry, then add little hot water and fry. Again, in between, you can also add 2 tablespoons of ghee and fry well. As you can see here, ghee has released well. Now stop adding ghee. The masala color also came to dark. Now to this add salt as per taste. If you wish, then add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix well. When it will come to this consistency, add fried prawns to this and mix well. Let the masala should coat every prawns. Fry for a few minutes. Check the salt if required, then add salt. Now add few curry leaves for extra taste and good aroma. Mix well. And super tasty, delicious, mouth-watering prawns ghee roast is ready to be served. Must try this recipe and enjoy with your family. And don't forget me, leave a comment how it was. If you like this recipe, please give a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.